Hi everybody, Phil here. I'd like to apologize, it's been a pretty hectic week. I haven't had much time to get any video work done, but thought I'd share some footage of my new washing machine that I bought and built and put together. Did this a few days ago, so I'll just get into it. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.
Alright, got the holes drilled out all the way around the bucket, but there are little pieces sticking out here, so I'm using the little my little sander. I don't know what this thing's called, rotating, I don't know, not a handyman. Anyways, I'm using that to clean it up so you can see, maybe, let's see, yeah, so in here there's little pieces from the drilling, and on the other side where I've already sanded, they're all nice and smooth, or will be once I really finish it. So yeah, one more step. Okay, so here's the finished product, finished for now anyways. Got the plunger in there, the lid. I've got the plunger, has some holes in it now too to help water circulate through it. Got the inner bucket with all the holes drilled in it set into the outer bucket with no holes drilled into it. And I've just got it set up here in my shower, and I'm going to try a load of laundry. So I'll let you know how that goes. Okay. Sorry about the underwear shot, but that's what we're just starting with. Definitely kind of didn't know what to expect for space. I can't do all the underwear and socks, so I'm going to have to do like underwear, then socks, then a few t-shirts. So it's definitely going to be about managing laundry time, which is fine. I just going to have to get used to doing that. Still not sure what I'm doing for drying. So I'm going to have to figure that out pretty quick, because here's a load of laundry being, or about to be, washed. So once this fills up with water, I will just add some detergent in there and start sluicing it around and see how it goes. Okay, just put in the detergent. The water is up, covering the clothes, and let's see how this goes. Okay, that's after about 2 minutes of pumping up and down with the plunger. Just wanted to open it up and see how it looks. It's really it's working really well, actually. Again, with the kind of bigger load that's going on in here, I am getting some soap or water kind of splashing up through the hole onto the lid, which really isn't a problem. It just collects up on the top of the lid, but it's not a significant amount. Definitely gonna have to do it in the tub here. That's it's not something I'm going to do out of the tub, because there definitely does seem to be some water splashing around here and there. But I can already tell that the water is dirty, just like you would expect from dirty laundry. And great. So keep agitating it for a bit here and then try out a rinse cycle. Okay, so for the rinse cycle, all I need to do is grab the right handle, remove this from the bottom bucket. Actually, I'll go this way. And just let it drain as much as possible. Those holes seem to be doing pretty good. Hold on. So I'll put that down here, and then I'll empty that, and then I'm literally going to put this bucket into there, apply pressure, and that'll help squish the rest of that out. And then just reverse it and put some fresh water in there and start doing a rinse. So, be back. Okay, so you can see that they're kind of flattened down in there. I just put the pressure on from the other bucket and get some more fresh water going in here. and do our first rinse. So, effort, yes, definitely is an effort. And again, this is just the washing. This has nothing to do with the drying. So, there is definitely an effort involved here, but it's free. And that's a good thing. It's also no electricity, so it's off-grid. I like it. And I'm still trying to figure out what I'm going to do for drying. We'll get to that. I have discovered a couple of things. I think that when you first start, putting the plunger in the bucket first and then putting your clothes around it is going to be a big help. It's hard to kind of get it all the way down to the bottom if it wasn't already there. So that's one thing. And with things like underwear and socks, because they're kind of a lot of them and individual small pieces, using the hand on the rinse worked really well. So just moving them around while I spray water on them seems to be really good for the rinse cycle. So I'm going to finish rinsing these and squish as much out as I can, and then I'm going to have to hand wring each one. And then the inevitable, how do we dry them? See you in a bit. I'm on to my second load, socks. And folks, let me tell you, this takes a lot of effort and a lot of water. So having a water source, i.e. shore water like I have, or a good solid stream or river of some sort near you is going to be the only option for this sort, because the rinsing takes a lot of water. This is the second fill up here for the second rinse for the socks, just to be able to make sure you got all your soap out. So just be aware, there's a lot of water involved here and effort, but it's going well. It feels good to do my own laundry without electricity. Alright, it's actually the next day, but thought I'd continue the laundry theme because I'm doing another couple loads here. This is a pair of my work pants, so I'm just starting the rinse cycle here, fill in some water, and then I thought I'd show you what I did temporarily. Oh, let's show you the sign here. So I just rigged up a temporary line, put socks, underwear, and hung some underwear along the back there, some more socks over here, working just fine. And it's a really nice day out today though, so I'm going to be able to hang some clothes outside so I can get the pants and some work shirts done, which will be nice. There we go. 4 shirts and a pair of work pants hung up. Hopefully dry by the morning. Should be just fine. And again, a lot of effort. Feels good to do it though.